Hey, what's up guys? I know you guys probably wondering why we haven't like put no videos on this channel or whatever, but it's been a while. We've been busy. But today we had to do something fun, you know? So I'm gonna take you guys along for a ride and see how you guys gonna feel about today, man. I'm about to have some fun. You driving the I-8 today?
Nah, this piece of shit.
Man, how you feel?
Feeling good, ready to do it.
Got CC, of course.
Hi, good morning.
Hey.
There's a cop up there. Steve already gave us a warning, but I guess we're bold these days. Everybody got in front of him though. Like maybe he just doesn't care. You guys see him right there? Cruising. Waiting to pull somebody over. Look at him. Just look at him. Just look at how you're looking. Fuck, it's all of us. He's pulling all of us over. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Hi, baby. Good morning. Or not. I can't. Hi,
Good morning.
This is our second stop right now, but one of the main reasons why we got this stop is because one of at least two of the cars got pulled over, so it's no ticket yet. It's just a warning, so I'm enjoying this right now. But look at I think CC showed you guys the cars already. Look at that sexy, that Honda right here. That's the best Honda ever, man. That's the 2019 Honda right here, for real. Alright guys, I'm sorry to say it, but it looks like we're about to go to jail, alright? We're about to go to, nah, I'm playing. But we got GSP over here. Don't mind my eyes, because it's really cold out here. But we came to a final decision. Matt's Limbo is not drivable right now, so we're on the side of the highway still. Is that another cop coming? Wait, there's another officer coming. That's crazy. Alright, but yeah. As I was saying, we're gonna try to get the Lambo on a tow truck right now. Hopefully that's gonna work out. You guys can see.
You guys, so we're heading back home today, and I had so much fun on this trip. You guys want to see the hotel? Hi, baby. Oh, seriously? You couldn't hold the elevator? What a jerk. Going down. Okay, we're here. What's there? What you got there? What you got there?
Cheese, eggs, and potato. Oh, there's no cheese.
There is no cheese.
Damn, why can't J. Cole it?
Wah, wah, wah.
They got it.
Hey, let's hear that car. Yeah, baby. I don't know if we're gonna use this for our outro, but if you do, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.